Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the Urban Homestead. So today we've got a bit of a project going on. We are going to be trimming back all of the dead matter that you see on our Greenstock strawberry grow towers here. We're going to be saving those browns for our beloved worm farms, but we've got some fresh green growth that is starting to push through from our ever-bearing strawberry plants. And we need to go on ahead and we need to get that brown matter off so that it doesn't smother out all of that wonderful new growth that is trying to push through for this spring. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it helps you learn how to maintain your strawberries right where you are at. And let's go on ahead and get into the bulk of this video. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got a strawberry plant here and for the most part looks dead, right? That's normal this time of the year, so don't end up worrying about it. But all we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to start carefully trimming out as much of this brown dead leaf structure as we possibly can. Once we do this, within a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, this fresh growth that you kind of can see right here that's trying to push through, but it's struggle bussing just a little bit because of all of that dead leaf that was on here, that is going to perk up and that's really going to start exploding. It's needing the sunlight and it's not had access. And now that it does have access to the sunlight, to the air circulation, it's really just going to end up taking off for us this year. So we're going to do this in every single pocket on our Greenstock today. And this is a project that does take a little bit of time, but personally, I find it very, very cathartic to do. So let's go on ahead and get this entire Greenstock maintained and taken care of. Okay, beautiful friends, I hope you enjoyed learning how to maintain your ever-bearing strawberries in your Greenstock grow towers. I will be linking the video to when I initially planted out our Greenstock grow towers with our ever-bearing strawberries so that you can watch start to finish and see how to maintain and how to just get this entire crop going for yourself in your urban homestead space. So if you have any questions, drop me a comment down below, and don't forget our Digging Deep guide is on sale right now. It's under $10 and really it is the perfect way for you to jumpstart your urban homestead garden and be able to go from low yields to really high yields and massive productivity no matter the size or space where you are at. So as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.